it going, guys? So you might have noticed from the title of the video, I have gotten a new amp. And here it is. I'm about to unbox it for you, and then we're going to plug it in and hear what it sounds like. The first one I had was great. It just had a scratchy volume knob, so I'm hoping this one has no scratchy noises coming out from any of the knobs. And if that's the case, then I'll be incredibly happy. Alright, let's get to unboxing. So we got this awesome orange tape. Now, I'm being careful the way I'm cutting it because it seems like they it's supposed to come with a cable and a cleaning cloth, and it seems like they might have opened it to put those in, so I don't want to cut those just in case the box is a little too close. Yeah, that's exactly what it did, so I'm glad I cut it the way I did. So the cleaning cloth I wasn't like super, I didn't care about, to be honest. Really just says GearTree.com cleaning cloth, which you can see right there. GearTree. Okay, pretty cool. I mean, I'll use that for my guitars. Not super excited, but still cool. And then a 10-foot D'Addario Planet Waves cable. And then we have Boxception right here. So we have this big box, and inside this big box is another big box. I'm gonna step over the side and just do this. Oh god, it's sliding out so heavy. I'm so crippled. Okay. Okay. There we go. So there is the beautiful Orange Crush 35 RT. Oh, by the way, I saw Tuba. She does videos, and she has one of these amps. She said, I don't know what the RT stands for. I don't know if that's true, Tuba, but Tuba, RT stands for Reverb Tuner, because you can get a Model 35 or a Model 20 that are not RTs, and they do not have reverb or tuners built into them. So just a little information for her if she watches this video, which I doubt she will because she is way more popular than I am, but that's okay. So go ahead and open this puppy up. Good, we don't have that like fall apart styrofoam. I hate that stuff. The more plasticky styrofoam. Excellent. Throw that in there. We got an owner's manual right there. See, owner's manual. And we got some orange candy art, which I don't usually use. I'm not a big fan of stickers. Never have been. Actually, as a child, fun fact, I was scared of stickers. I don't know what that means, but I was scared of them. And then in here we have the beautiful, the illustrious orange amplifier. And at the bottom of the box, something else is in here. Make sure there's not. Okay, good. That's just silicone beads. All right, we have a power cable. Get those out of the way. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Okay. So it's been a while since I've had this amp. Like I said, I think it's been about a year. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Enough of me talking. Go ahead and plug that in and plug this in. So that is my new amp for you guys to just kind of see and hear a little bit. If you like the amp, go ahead and click the link in the description. It's down there, down below the amp. Okay. What that does is it gives me a small kickback of commission, and it helps me make videos like this for you guys in the future and keep the channel alive. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, you can give it a thumbs down. Tell me why you didn't like it so I can make it better. Don't just be, rude and dislike it and hurt my feelings, because I am a human being after all. And then don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future.